Today is my birthday. Because of the pandemic, I am not able to celebrate it with my family. Everything is opening or pretty much open right now, but when we were planning, we didn't know. So I'm getting together with my family in a few months, but today I wanted to do something special. So I have booked a kayaking trip around the Channel Islands. I'll need to take a ferry to get out there, and then the kayaking trip, maybe some snorkeling. I reserved the snorkeling equipment, but I haven't made a full commitment to that yet. Anyway, I need to check in so I don't miss the ferry. I was nearly late. This is what the check-in list looked like when I got there. So many people ahead of me. Channel Islands National Park is comprised of 5 islands off the coast of Ventura, California. Santa Cruz Island, where I was headed, is the largest. I booked the kayaking trip through Santa Barbara Adventure Company, and I specifically selected the Adventure Sea Cave Kayaking trip. The ferry ticket was extra, but I was able to book it at the same time, which made it really easy. The ferry was Island Packers Cruises. So for the ferry ride over, I think I'm going to stay inside. I went outside for a little bit. The air is great. The water spray is fantastic. But I think I just want to sit down for the next hour and enjoy the inside, and I will get the outside experience on the way back. Yeah, that was ignorant me speaking before I knew that Island Packers would stop if there was something interesting to see, like this.
Oh my God!
I just got here. I am on Santa Cruz Island. We are all gathering to get our kayak orientation and all of that. They broke us up into groups and led us to the changing area. Look at this old farm equipment. I would love to know a little more about the history of the island, but some other time. At the changing area, we got our helmets, our life vests, stowed our personal stuff, and then headed back to the rocky beach. After a brief safety orientation, it was time to hit the water. we headed out to the first cave. The water was easy to navigate, but pretty soon we were kayaking on kelp, which added some drag to the boats. This was a little challenging. Here's the first cave. Look how the water reflects on the rocks above the entrance. Pretty, isn't it? Okay, my turn to go in. This is kind of scary. By myself into the cave. Oh my gosh, that is fantastic. Each of the caves got progressively more difficult, each with its own challenges. This one kind of freaked me out the most. Most of the caves were in one side and out the other. This one was in to a dark, dead end, then turn around and come out again. You can see that I'm hanging back, the last to go in, and I didn't go in all the way. I mean, I knew it was safe, but I just didn't like being confined like that. You can see that some of the other people are taking pictures. They had none of the same trepidations I had. We left this cave soon enough. This cave was probably the most challenging.
Perfect. Piece of cake. And lean back.
The rock ceiling was so low, we had to lean back in the kayak to get under it.
Okay.
You can see I'm struggling with this. When I got out, I was feeling kind of lame, but one of the other kayakers called out to me, "You did it, and by yourself." I felt a little swell of pride. I did do it. We were out on the water for 3 to 4 hours, and when we were done, I was exhausted. And it was about time to get on the ferry back to Ventura, so there wasn't any time for snorkeling. I'm not going to leave you with an end screen on this video. Instead, you get to watch this. Find your adventure.